Xiaomi has released a new machine, Xiaomi Robot Vacuum Mop 5C. It looks really nice. The machine features Xiaomi's new ultra-long extension cleaning technology. Cici is here to show you. Before that, I must introduce our company, techTongBo. We mainly produce accessories and consumables for robot vacuums and vacuum cleaners. So we are always sensitive to updates in cleaning technology and hardware for robot vacuums. Let's take a close look at these mop solutions. It uses round rotating mop eyes. If we remove the mop bracket, we can see this robotic arm. When the arm extends outward, this part of the vacuum opens up. Its outward extension's distance increased directly by 68%. And when it makes clogged walls, a regular baseboard, or other hard-to-clean blind spots, it can flexibly mop close to the edges without getting stuck easily. This is undoubtedly another revolution in edge cleaning. Also, the roller brush positions has an anti-tangle finger edge composite die. It can strengthen here first and then sunk them into the dust box. This is a small innovation. The suction power is 15,000 pascals. This is the side brush. This side brush is in a fixed position and has no robotic arm. This is a vacuum dust box, and here is a filter. It can be removed for cleaning, but it still needs to be replaced every 2 to 3 months. The base station design is quite compact. The front is clean water tank, and the back is the dirty water tank. You can lift it gently to change its water. Open this front cover, and you can see the dust bag inside. The clean tray is integrated. While cleaning the mop height, it can self-clean and dry the mops with hot air. This Xiaomi Robot Vacuum Mop 5C has a budget-friendly price and complete functions. If there's an overthinking version, would you buy it?